Hi guys, I have some new makeup. Juno & Co. sent me a couple of things, as well as a company called Iris Beauty. So I just thought that I would share this stuff with you guys and do a little chatty, get ready with me style video. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've already moisturized my skin and all that. I am going to put on a primer though. Let's go ahead and go with the Becca, what is this, Backlight primer? And I just talked about these because I got the first light primer in my BoxyCharm. And I do love that primer, but it made me realize that I never use my Backlight primer anymore. So I'm just gonna put this on just with my fingers. Okay, let me actually zoom you in a smidge. So mostly lately I've been going back and forth between the Too Faced Peach Comfort Matte and Fenty Beauty. Which one should I use today? Let's go with the Too Faced today. I do love that Fenty foundation. Okay, so first thing that I have, this is from Juno & Co. This is their new sponge because they came out with a sponge a while ago, this sponge that has cat hair on it, and they changed the shape. It has a flat bottom instead of the round bottom. It has a point here instead of this flat edge. So, you know, just a couple little shape differences, but it's basically the same sponge, you know, where it's spongy and it has this micro fuzz on it that's supposed to be like a sponge and a brush all in one. I'm just gonna plop this on my face and then we'll blend it in. Okay, so I think I'm actually gonna blend with the flat side here. See how that goes. And this one I find works best with like a beauty blender. You would just kind of bounce it on your skin. With this one, I actually kind of like to drag it a bit because of those little bristles on there. I feel like that helps move the foundation around, and then you have the bouncing that kind of pushes it into your skin to give you a nice flawless finish. And it's not super expensive. I think these are like around $10, I want to say. I can't remember. I've really been loving this foundation and it's like the perfect shade for me right now. But see, I feel like that blends out really nicely, you know? It's a good sponge. All right, and let's go ahead and use my Julep Cushion. Okay, so I have the shade Buff, which is a bit fair, but that's okay. Okay, so one of the new products that I have that I've been using a ton is this palette. This is from Juno & Co. and this is the Mad Love. I guess like Mad Love is their line of cosmetics, because I have some lashes from Juno & Co. that are called Mad Love, and I thought that was the style, but then I was like, oh no, I think Mad Love is like the name of their company. Anyway, this is the Summer Nights palette, and this is fuzzy right here, which I think is so cute. Dun, da, da. Okay, it has a big old mirror, which is nice, and look at these colors. Do you love them? I love them. I think they're so pretty. And this palette is way more versatile than I initially thought that it would be. I have been using it constantly. Even when I'm using other palettes or eyeshadows or whatever, I keep coming back to this one to use with the Party Animal palette that I got in my BoxyCharm, or I got a bronzy, I think it was actually like a bronzer that I used on my eyes, and I used like these browns to kind of, you know, anyway, I've been using this a lot. I really love it. I think that it works really nicely. The colors are pigmented and blendable and super beautiful. Super beautiful. I freaking love them. This black right here is super black, and I've been using it for liner a lot because it's like intensely black, which is fantastic. Okay, so let's just do some eye makeup. Let me zoom you in further. So I'm gonna use bleach right here just all over my lid as just a base to kind of brighten up my eye, as well as set my concealer and make it easier to blend my other shadows. Also today I'm gonna try to do a purple eye. It has been requested, I can't remember who requested it. One of you requested a purple eye look, and I tried to do one with my Urban Decay palette, the Born to Run one, and I felt like it just kept turning pink or turning blue because there's only one purple shade in that palette. Of course, there's only one purple shade in this palette too. Super sparkly with some blue sparkles in there. So I'm just gonna take that and pack it on my lid. We'll see. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. We're just gonna play, you know? I'm going to my in-laws for dinner tonight. No big deal. They're used to seeing me with ridiculous makeup on. Oh, this color's so pretty. I haven't really used it like this yet. Now I'm gonna go in with Run This Town, which is a nice taupey color. This is such a great, like, what do you call this? It's a really good neutral crease color, you know, for a ton of different color schemes. just because, you know, it is a really neutral color, because sometimes they can be too warm or too cold, or anyway, I really like this color. So I'm going on vacation next week. I'm really excited. We are going to San Diego for a week, which I think will be a lot of fun. And we're going with my in-laws, which ought to be interesting. I always get nervous about vacationing with a ton of people just because everybody wants to do different things, you know, and then you're kind of obligated to hang out with them. But we've said we're just basically cohabitating. We don't have to hang out if we don't want to. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush and go into high ground right here. And I'm going to take that right in my outer V just to deepen that up. I love this color. It blends so nicely. This is looking super purple. Okay, and then I'm going to go into Skywalker, this gorgeous blue right here. And I'm going to take that under my eyes. Okay, super funsies. Now I'm going to take one of these Iris Beauty liners. I have a blue one and a black one. But you know what's weird? They're not labeled on the outside, so I just have to like open it and look at it. Which one are you? That one's black. Okay, got it. So the blue one is really pretty. Here, I'll just swatch this for you. Woo! Pretty blue, right? Nice, deep, dark, but still kind of bright and gorgeous blue. And then the black is just black. So I'm going to use the black one today. And just I do really like this liner pen though. It's definitely one of those like felt tip types, but I really like it. I feel like these felt tip ones never last very long, but they're really great and easy to use when you first get them. Well, that's even-ish, right? Ah, whatever. Who cares, right? I'm gonna put lashes on anyway. Nobody will be able to see my liner. Okay, and then I have an eyebrow thing. I think this is the eyebrow, yeah. Eyebrow little guy. It's one of those like pyramid shaped pencils, but it's a good color for me. And I do like it. So this is also from Iris Beauty. Iris Beauty is actually, they have colored contacts. And that was, originally they contacted me and were like, hey, can we send you some contacts? And I can't wear contacts because I had LASIK a couple years, lots of years ago. And so my eyes are misshapen, so I can't wear contacts, which is a bummer because the LASIK didn't really work, and that's why I wear glasses. But they do also have some other products. So they have the eyeliners and the eyebrow pencil and some lashes, which I'll show you in a second, that I have been completely obsessed with. See, doesn't that look nice? So a while ago, you know when magnetic lashes came out, well, I'm always late to the game with these things, but anyway, magnetic lashes have been a thing for a while. So I got a pack from Ardell, and I love Ardell lashes, but I could not get those magnetic lashes to work for me. I tried filming a video, and the whole time it was basically just me with eyes getting more and more irritated, and I could not get the damn things on. And then I watched some more videos and tried cutting them, because that was like the general consensus that if you have the full strips it's harder to do, so you cut them. Okay, I just like drew my eyebrow way too low. So I tried cutting them and that didn't work, and it was just like getting worse and worse and worse, and I finally gave up on them and was like, forget this. And then I had a company based out of China send me some magnetic lashes, and they didn't even look good. They were awful. So I didn't like those ones. So when Iris Beauty was like, oh, well, you know, ours won't be so bad. And I'm like, mm-hmm. But I tried them, and you guys, I freaking love them. They are amazing. I'll show you in a second. I know, I keep talking about them without showing you. Hang on, I gotta fix my eyebrow mishap. Okay, you ready to see these? It comes in a little box like this, and you have your 4 lashes. And do you see like the shape of them is really nice? They're a little bit tapered, and they are so easy to apply. They have 2 magnets, top and bottom, so you put on the top ones first, and then you put the bottom ones on, and they just kind of, you know, not click in, but like, you know, whoop, because of the magnets, and they just pinch your eyelashes essentially, and they are so comfortable to wear. I can wear them all day long and not even feel them. They look really great. I've worn them in my last like several videos. I really, really love them. I think they're amazing. I'm not gonna put them on today though, because I have some other lashes I want to play with. I'm smoothing out my laugh lines because I feel like my foundation is caking up. So I'm using the clean part of the sponge to kind of smudge that out a bit. Okay, so I have my eyebrows on. Let's get some blush on this face. Okay, for blush today, I am going to use this Hourglass blush in Luminous Flush. This is actually a sample that I got from a So Schwa box, and I don't even think So Schwa exists anymore. You know, I'm gonna try using this brush from Crown Brush. I just got this, loud car. I just got this in my Ipsy, and I'm gonna try using this for blush. It's a little bit dense, but let's try it. Yeah, it's fine. Ah, it's okay, that's intense. Alright, I'm not gonna put any more blush on the brush and just try to go like, yeah, that's intense. Don't know what I was thinking. Okay, and I'm gonna use my Grande Primer. This is my new favorite eyelash primer. Ever since I tried to replace my Dior. I love the Dior primer, but Dior's not cruelty-free. So when I found this one and fell in love with it, I decided that this one is cruelty-free and will be my new holy grail eyelash primer. Okay, and I'm gonna use the Wander Beauty mascara. I got this in a box and I actually really like it. I've really been loving Wander Beauty products. And they are cruelty-free, which is always nice. I love finding new cruelty-free brands. This is one of those mascaras that at first I was like, yeah, it's fine. But then I keep reaching for it, you know, so I obviously really like it. Okay, and then I'm actually gonna put some purple mascara on the bottom. I was gonna do blue, but I think I'm gonna stick with the purple theme. This one is from Maybelline, and it's fine, it's not my favorite. Honestly, my favorite purple mascara ever is from YSL. Also not cruelty-free. So I'm still trying to find a good cruelty-free brand that has good colored mascaras, because I've tried a lot of different colored mascaras and most of them are not that great. Okay, so now for the lashes that I am going to use. I actually have a ton of lashes. So I placed an order with Social Eyes, which is the brand started by Carissa Pukas, also a YouTuber. If you don't watch her, you should. She's awesome. Anyway, she started this brand and it's cruelty-free and vegan, and they're inexpensive. Like each pair is somewhere between like, you know, $6 and $8 or something. And it's like $5 shipping anywhere. And the lashes are really beautiful. I've had some before. This is my second order and they're comfortable and I love them. So anyway, Social Eyes are awesome. So I got two of Lady, which are these ones. And I really like the short banded lashes. I just feel like they go on really easy and are just easy to wear. And then Whiplash, another one that's kind of short. These ones I have actually had before, but they were starting to fall apart, so I got two more pairs of the Whiplash. And Lady is just kind of similar, but a little more dainty looking. So I have these, which I'm really excited about. I love me some Social Eyes. And then these ones I just got in the mail yesterday. These ones were sent to me by a company. I think the company is actually called Venus Organics, but then the line is called Venics Beauty. It's got like the glittery edge right there, and it's just a cute little box with a magnetic closure top. And then you have your beautiful lashes in here, and aren't these beautiful? So these are Peony, these ones are Dahlia. I like the tapered, you know, where they go out further on the ends. These ones are Lilac, which have the longer lashes in the center. And then these ones, which are a bit shorter and more dainty looking, and these ones are called Jasmine. So I'm super excited about trying these out. Which ones should I go with today? Let's go with Lilac. Shall we? These look fun. Wow, those are intense. Those are some serious caterpillar lashes. You are not going to be able to see my eyeshadow anymore. That's okay, so take a good look at the eyeshadow, people. Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get away with not trimming them this time around. Okay, my battery died right in the midst of putting on this eyelash, but so far I think it looks good. It's pretty. It feels like it might be a little bit long on my eye, like I can feel it on the inner corner, but for today I'm just gonna leave them as is, and then the next time I wear them I will trim them a bit. They are pretty though, aren't they? I like them, and they're very lightweight, which is nice. Let me show you how I apply them. I've got some duo glue. I really like the kind that has a wand on it. I just think it's easier to actually brush the glue than having a tube, because I always end up getting way too much. And then I just kind of wait for the glue to get a little bit tacky, and I like to do like this just to make sure they're nice and curved. And then I actually have a little compact. This is just the Too Faced Candy Banana Powder, but it has a nice big mirror on it. So I hold this under my face so that I can look down with my eyes into the mirror as I place this on, and then I have a magnified mirror in front of me so that I can make sure that it's on my eye from in front of me as well. So I've got two mirrors working for me. Okay, and then once I get it in the right spot, then I will take my little tweezer things and kind of pinch my lashes together with the fake lashes. And when I was putting that on, I got the glue all over my eyeliner, so I'm just gonna touch up my eyeliner too. Okay, that looks better. Those are pretty, I like those. Okay, let me zoom you out a bit. We don't need to be that close to my eyeballs. Okay, those are some intense eyelashes, but I love them. And then to go along with the purple theme, I'm going to use my ColourPop lip gloss in Catalina. Because you can see I use this a lot. I love this color. The formula on these lip glosses is really nice, and the color is just really pretty. See, a wonderful lilac-y, pinky, purpley color, right? I love it so much. Okay, oh, you know what I did not put on? I did not put on any highlighter. Let's do that right meow. Let's use this Physicians Formula one. I love it. It smells good. It smells so good. And it's just a really pretty gold. I love it. So I'm using this shiny mermaidy brush. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's always hard to see on camera, like unless the light hits it just right. Oh, there we go. Can you see that? That's pretty, right? Okay, awesome. So that's a fun look, huh? What do you guys think? I really like these eyelashes. These are fun and they are comfortable. I mean, I can feel them on the inner corner, so I know that they're a little bit too long, but they feel very lightweight, very comfortable. They were easy to apply. I'm happy with these. I can't wait to try out the other ones. And I have been loving this palette from Juno and Co. And I think it's like $10 or something. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this while I played with makeup. It's always fun to play with makeup, right? And find new products and all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I love playing around with makeup and chatting with y'all. So let me know what you think, and whoever it was, I'm sorry I can't remember who it was, something with a J. Somebody with a J wanted a purple look. I hope you like it. This one's for you, babe. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!